Magandang araw sa inyong lahat mga kapiston. May bagong chismis na naman akong ibabahagi sa inyo. Kung hindi nyo pa alam ang chismis na ito, tara samahan nyo ako at panoorin ninyo ang aking video. Bago tayo magsimula, paki-subscribe muna ang channel ko at pindutin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga video ko. Philippine operator Cokaliong Shipping Lines has confirmed that its newest Ro-Pax ferry was launched at a shipyard in Shanghai on Wednesday, August 25. Once completed, the RINA-classed Filipinas Agusan Del Norte will have a length of 102 meters, a beam of 18 meters, a gross tonnage of 6,200, and 2 passenger decks. Cokaliong has claimed the ferry will be the first Filipino-owned newbuild vessel to feature an inverted bow. The X-bow is somewhat the reverse of a conventional bow, leaning backwards instead of forwards. An X-bow vessel cleaves the waves, significantly reducing noise and vibration. She can sail faster and consume less fuel in high waves than a conventional bow would allow. And she is more comfortable for the crew and passenger than conventional bow. It was January of 2020 when the owners of Cokaliong Shipping Lines went to Shanghai, China to discuss with a Chinese shipyard for its plan of building its first brand new vessel. It will be their first brand new vessel after 30 years of operations. The vessel will be IACS classed under the Registro Italiano Navale of Italy. This brand new vessel is part of Cokaliong Shipping Lines' commitment to modernize and to align with the Philippine government's efforts to improve the country's maritime industry. The vessel will be named as the MV Filipinas Agusan Del Norte, in which the vessel is planned to operate between Cebu City and the town of Nasipit in its namesake province of Agusan Del Norte. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching my video.